Hi there. I watched a couple of videos of how to make your amplifier silent or near silent, and I was disappointed by a number of them where they just sort of, after you watch 10 minutes of this video, they're like, oh, we decreased the sound level from 85 to 84, and I was like, that was a waste of time. So hopefully today I can show you something different that's very easy to do, very cheap, and I'll show you exactly what results you will achieve. Now, starting off, here it is. Let's look first at what is our ambient sound. When I keep quiet, you're sitting somewhere around 40, 41, 42, somewhere around that. So let's take that away and I'll show you what I've done and explain how it works. So it's using just a cardboard box that I bought off Walmart for less than $1. I've got 2 inlet pipes, and the idea with that is if you have access to cold air, it's a good idea to be able to get the air directly into your miner, and it also helps with your silencing. So I bought 6-inch pipes. I bought from Lowe's for $12. I bought a long piece that I cut into 3 pieces, and I've got my exit air, which is the hot air, which you might want to take somewhere where you want to get rid of the hot air. I've used a funnel. Now you don't really need to use this funnel. That cost me about another $10. So we're sitting on 10, 20, and I'll show you the insides. It was just easier to make sure that I get all the hot air together to get it out. But let me show you. So here's my box, and I'll plug it in, and let's look at the noise level. Plug that. We can see 72. That's right on top of the box. Now I know some people, they take it and then move it like 6 feet away or 3 feet away, and now obviously the further I go, the lower the noise level. But you can hear it's not very loud. Normally when guys do these videos, you can't even hear what they're doing because it's so loud. So we're sitting around somewhere around 70. So let me show you how easy this was and how cheap it was. As we said, we've got the pipe, the inlet and outlet pipe. I just bought one section and I cut it in 3 pieces and put it together. So let's look inside. So I'll show you from the outside how easy this box construction was. So I've used a little bit of duct tape. I don't know, 10 cents of duct tape. You know, if it's not sealed enough, you didn't use enough duct tape. Let's open up here. And you will see how simple this construction is. Ta-da! And what we'll find is inside is another box. Yes! So I've got an outer box that decreased the sound level surprisingly a lot. Inside I've got the miner, and the air goes directly in from the outside box directly into the inside box. And then here I've just got a spacing in between. Now, you know, if you want to spend some extra money, you can probably put some soundproofing and whatever in there. But you know, again, that will take up the price a lot more. And I'm already sitting on 72, which is a lot better than 85. Inside I've got the funnel. Again, like I said, you don't really need the funnel in there. You can very well do without it. I got just a small piece for the wires to come out the power and the network cable, and let me show you inside that box. So this box also cost $1, literally, at Walmart. So we're selling on 12 for the pipe, 10 for the funnel, $1. So that's 24. Okay, let's say $1 for the duct tape. So I'm sitting on $25, and I've got a really, you know, well working and efficient cooling system. And inside of this box is my miner. My miner, I use some more duct tape to tape my inlet air piping directly onto the miner fans. Obviously this miner has got 2 fans, but if you have a miner with 1 fan, you might only use one pipe and I tape it to make sure there's a little bit of air coming out here, but that's fine because that will cool my power supply. And my hot air, what I did was I bolted the grid in around the hole in the box that I made. It was just slightly smaller than the exit, so now all my hot air can escape on this side. And obviously also, you know, it lines up a little bit. I intentionally moved the air exit a little bit to the side because that helps dampening the sound. So now I can see I achieved, with less than $25, I achieved a really easy and practical and very cheap soundproofing for my miner, going down to 72 decibels. And like I said, you can, if you hook this up, I use it efficiently when I hooked it up to the outlet of a AC to pump cold air into the miner. That allowed me to overclock my miner and actually got more hash power out of my miner. Hope this video helped you, and for only $25 you can get quite efficient soundproofing for your miner that will help you, that it doesn't sound like an aeroplane going past, or just at 84 dB, which is still very, very loud. You saw it, I went down to basically 70 dB with this very easy and cheap solution. Thank you.